Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you where to find the delete profile button on Netflix. So as you guys can see here, I've already on my Netflix in mobile, and here there are two profiles on my Netflix account, and this is the main account, the main profile and this is the secondary or the other profiles. So if you cannot find the delete profile button, probably that's because you try to delete the main profile. So when I click on the pencil icon and click on the main profile, if I scroll down, there is no options to delete this profile. So but when I click on the secondary profile, you can see the delete profile button is there, and you can delete it all you want. So I think Netflix will keep you to keep at least one profile, and the main profile here cannot be deleted. Okay, so if you want to delete a profile, you just can delete the secondary or the third or fourth profiles on your Netflix. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, click on the thanks, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.